Hello children, today in this lecture we are going to cover chapter 11, and in this chapter from different geometrical shapes I am going to cover the shape that is circle. So one object which is round in shape, Bengal, it's circular in shape. A circle, how you will define it? A circle is a simple closed curve whose every point is, means any point I draw on the circle, whose every point is equidistant from a fixed point. Whose every point is equidistant from a fixed point in its interior. When we draw a circle, inside it we show a point and we label it O. You know the definition of point? Point is a simple dot which tells us the position. It has no length, breadth, no thickness. So in the middle of the circle there is a point which is named as O here. That point is called the center of the circle. Fine. If from the center I draw points on circular body, means on the boundary of circle, the length of all these points will be, the distance from all these points will be same. These all are called radius. Radius, it's one is radius and plural is radii. So first we have done the concept circle. A circle is a simple closed curve whose every point is equidistant from a fixed point in the interior, and the fixed point in the interior is called center. Now when we study about the elements of a circle, elements of a circle means the different concepts related to circle. First I have told you center, then we have radius. This is generally denoted by small r, and this part, now it divides the circle into two equal parts. This is called diameter. If you look at it carefully, in diameter there are two radius, 1, 2. So diameter is the twice the radius. Diameter is the double of 2 times radius. Generally examiner asks, what is relationship between radius and diameter? Radius is half of diameter. This radius is half of diameter and diameter is 2 times the radius. Now what is diameter? How to define it? Diameter is a line segment which passes through the center of the circle and whose end points, means the end points of this line, lie on the circle. If I draw a circle, this is the center. A line passes through the center of the circle and its end points lie on the circle, and its endpoints lie on the circle, That line is called diameter of the circle and it is denoted as D. In a circle, we can draw as many as diameters we want. See, this is also diameter. This is also diameter. Again diameter. Half of the diameter is radius. Length of all the diameters and all the radius is same. Our diameter divides the circle in two equal parts. Diameter divides the circle in two equal parts means half of the circle is called semicircle. Like we take round chapati, we fold it from the middle. It becomes half, na? That is semicircle. Then, how to use these concepts? A circle is given, its diameter is given 10 centimeter. Examiner asks, diameter of a circle is 10 centimeter, find its radius. Now, in diameter, there are two radius, means radius will be half of diameter. What we will write for radius? That is diameter divided by 2. 10 divided by 2 becomes 5 centimeter. This part is 5 centimeter. This part is 5 centimeter. So our radii are same. Another example. The radius of a circle is 3 centimeter. Radius of a circle is 3 centimeter. What will be its diameter? Diameter is 2 times the radius. So, diameter will be 2 into 3, that is 6 centimeter. So, children, till now we have done circle, center, radii, diameter, one is radius, and we have done the relationship between diameter and radius. Generally, from this chapter, this type of question is asked. A figure is drawn. Now, examiner may ask, number 1, center, number 2, radii, number 3, diameters. Center of the circle is O. Now, starting from O, radius are OP, OB, OR, OQ and OA. Diameters are AB and PQ. Diameter is passing through the center and its end points lie on the circle. So, in a figure, if another line is drawn which do not pass through the center, but its end points lie on the circle. That is called chord of the circle. Diameter was the line passing through the center of the circle and its end points lie on the circular body. Here in chord, end points of line lie on the circle, but it is not passing through the center. It may or may pass through the center. See, so many chords I am going to draw. Now, this is the middle one. This is the longest chord. Which is the longest chord of the center circle? That is diameter. Many chords were drawn. The length of the middle one is longest, which is called diameter. Another point in the definition of diameter you can add, diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Then we have the concept of circumference. In all the plane figures, like in previous lecture, you have done perimeter of rectangle, perimeter of square, but in case of circle, for perimeter we use the word circumference. As in circle, there is no side. To find the circumference of a circle, we use the formula, that is 3 into diameter. In junior classes, how we ask children to find diameter of a circumference of a circle? They are supposed to draw a circle, then using a thread, they keep one end point of thread covering from here, taking round and finding the length of the thread with scale. Otherwise, with formula we find circumference, which is 3 times diameter. If diameter of a circle is 7 centimeter, what will be its circumference? Circumference will be 3 into 7, that is 21 centimeter. So, we have covered circle, center, radius of a circle, diameter of a circle, relationship between diameter and radius, chord of the circle, circumference of the circle and semicircle. These concepts you have to go through.